Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2019 on a 19 plate Audi A6 Avant S-Line 40 TDI 204 PS S-Tronic in Daytona Grey pearlescent paint. Now this vehicle, as an approved used vehicle, does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For further information or to book a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01785 899 417. So let's have a look around this vehicle, shall we? So looking at the start here, we have these super bright matrix LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, which means that those nighttime drives are an ease in this vehicle. And we also have the very classy looking chrome edged grille there. And we also have the S-Line front and rear bumpers on this vehicle. Looking down here at these stunning alloy wheels, which perfectly complement this Daytona Grey paintwork. Now these are a 19-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloy wheel, which are exclusive to the S-Line trim and really make this car stand out and give it that classy look. Now standing back from this A6 here, you can see that this vehicle is equipped with those silver roof rails there, which means that any larger items such as a roof box or bikes, anything you want up on the top is possible with this A6. And it means that this vehicle, despite being an estate, so it's already practical, is also extra practical with the option of those roof rails there. We also have privacy glass on this particular vehicle, which means that any items you have in the back are less visible to any prying eyes, and it also means that those in the back are less likely to get sunburn. Let's have a look inside the back. So we've got 3 spacious seats here. Now these seats do fold 40-20-40, which means it's a very practical vehicle. We also there have a centre armrest with storage and 2 cup holders. And we also have vents in the back there for the rear and a 12-volt socket, as well as ISOFIX points, which means that those child seats will fit perfectly in the back of this car. Now looking at the rear 3/4 here, you can see those LED rear lights, and we also have the dynamic rear indicators on this vehicle. We also have there those twin quad exhaust surrounds, and we also have front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera. Now this boot is electrically operated, which means that all you have to do is push the button under the Audi rings there. You can put a button inside the car, or you can push a button on the key fob. As you can see there, that parcel shelf is electrically retracting, which means that you don't even have to do that. So looking inside the back here, we've got plenty of space for any larger items such as suitcases or those golf clubs. And we've also got a little hook there for shopping to keep them upright. And then to fold the seats down, it's literally just the pull of a lever and they fold down completely flat there. And once you've removed that parcel shelf, it creates a cavernous load bay. Now all I've done there is just push the button on the boot to close it, which means that it's just very simple. It means that if you've got your arms full, it's no bother in this A6. And you can once again see that stunning design and the wide stance of this vehicle. Now looking inside this A6 here, you can see the excellent quality on offer. We do have in this vehicle a matte brushed aluminium trim alongside those part leather seats with S embossing, which are really comfortable on a longer journey and also really supportive if you want to push your car around the bends. We've also got under thigh support there. And these seats are fully electric and do also have memory function on the driver's side alongside electric lumbar support, which is great for those longer drives. And there's a lovely view of that aluminium trim there. So that completes our initial 360-degree walk round of this 2019 Audi A6 Avant S-Line 40 TDI. Now, as previously mentioned, this car is an approved used vehicle, which means it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, we're going to have a look inside this A6 in more depth. So this vehicle obviously comes with all electric windows. We do also have power rear door locks there for children in the back. These mirrors are electrically adjustable, electrically heated and electrically folding. And they also fold when you lock the car. And here we have our memory settings for the seats, which is great if you've got multiple people driving the vehicle. And we also have here our automatic headlights, which are great for those nighttime drives. So you just get in and let the car think about whether those lights need to be on or not. Now looking back at this steering wheel here, this is a 3-spoke S-Line leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which means that all the controls are right at your fingertips. And it's also really comfortable and supportive, especially if you want to drive in a more spirited manner. Now behind that, we've got our large digital screen in the centre there, alongside our analogue dials. And you can have a look at different things such as your navigation, you can have a look at your radio, telephone. We can also have a look at the vehicle settings, and you can zoom in and out of the map there. So to control that centre screen is via those buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel there, as you can see. So now looking down here, the top two buttons there control left or right through the different menus. We've got our view button there, which changes what you see on that central screen, so you can turn everything off. And then we also have a swivel wheel there, which can zoom in and out of the maps or go up and down different menus. And then on the right hand side here, we've got our volume control, so you push it in to mute it, scroll it up or down to increase or decrease the volume. We've got our voice control alongside our telephone function there. Now looking down here, we have our cruise control, which is great for those longer drives. It means it's more comfortable in this A6, and it also means that you're not going to get any speeding tickets. So looking here at this central infotainment screen here, it's a touch screen with haptic feedback, so you certainly know when you've pressed each button. And we've got many radio stations with our digital audio broadcasting channels. We also have our media functionality there, so you can connect your phone via Bluetooth or USB. You can also connect your phone, so on your way home you can make those important business calls. We've obviously got our navigation. And we do also have Audi's famous Drive Select, which means that depending on how you're feeling, the A6 can be set up perfectly to suit your driving style. So if you want to push the car a little bit more around those corners, it means that you just have to put it in dynamic mode, and it's no bother in this vehicle. This vehicle, as you can see, also comes equipped with a reversing camera with guidelines, which means that all you have to do is turn the wheel and it shows you where the car's going to end up. Now looking down here, we do also have dual zone climate control in this vehicle, which means that the front two passengers can have completely different temperatures, and it's fully automatic as well. So anything you need, if you want to feel a bit more comfortable, you just put it in auto, set the temperature, and the car will do it for you. We do also have front heated seats in this vehicle. Looking down here, we've got our shortcut buttons for Audi's Drive Select, alongside the front blower for the windscreen and the heated rear screen there. We've also got our shortcut button here for the reversing camera, as well as the sensors. And we've got our volume control there, so you just twist it left and right to increase or decrease the volume, and push it to turn it on or mute it. Now this vehicle does come with the S-tronic automated gearbox, which is very simple to use and means that those longer drives are no bother. And it's also very quick to respond if you want to push your A6 a little bit. And then under this stunningly smoothly opening little cubby there, we've got two cup holders alongside a key slot in the middle and a 12-volt socket there, which means that you've got plenty of storage space for those Costa cups on your way home. And then under this centre armrest here, we've got lots of space for things such as wallets, your keys, and we do also have two USB sockets. So that completes our look today at this 2019 Audi A6 Avant S-Line 40 TDI 204 PS S-tronic in Daytona Grey pearlescent paint. Now, as mentioned before, this is an approved used vehicle, which means it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417, and we look forward to welcoming you to Stafford Audi very soon. Thank you for watching.